Today we are going to start a new topic, that is series test. In these type of question we can given two problems, that is we have to find the missing number that follow the same pattern or find the wrong number in the series. Suppose you have given the series this, and you have to find this number 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, and you have to find this number. You know difference is 2, difference is 2, difference is 2, and difference is 2. So what is the next number? That is also difference of 2. Then what is that number? That number is 12. So 12 is the answer. So in these questions, number series is given and we have to insert a new number, that's in this case, or find the wrong number in the series. If I have given this series 2, 4, 6, 9, 10, then what is the wrong number in this series? Obviously 9, because it does not follow the pattern of difference of 2. So two type of questions can be done in the series. One is to insert a new number, and second is to find the wrong number. Second is to find wrong number. So is it clear? And we are going to solve the DPPS number 2, that is series test. So first question of your DPPS. First question of your DPPS, that is find out the missing number. Find out the missing number. In this series 2, 6, 14, 26, 62. We have to find a number at this place, and then is it 62. We have to find this number. So we have to insert a new number in this place. We have to find the missing number. So think about this series and find the pattern, which pattern this series will follow. Always find a pattern first, then insert a number, because the number will follow the same pattern as is followed by the series. So you have to find the pattern first. So find the pattern. Think about this. You have time. Think about this. Which pattern it will follow. So see, there is a difference of 4. In this 14 minus 6, 8, you all know. And then 26 minus 14. What is this? 26 minus 14. 26 minus 14 is 26 minus 14, that is 12. So we are seeing that difference is increased by 4 every time. Difference is increased by 4 every time. So it's a table of 4. 4, 8, 12. So second number is 16. So add 16 in number 26 and find the number 26. Add 6, 6, 12, 42. So 42 is a number that will follow the same pattern as in the given series. So these questions can be done by wholly practice. There is no rule for these questions. You have to do lot of practice for these questions. The pattern is anything. Pattern is of difference, pattern is of any prime number, any composites number, any addition, any cubes, multiplication, square roots. Pattern is of anything. So you have to practice these questions and then you can solve these questions in your competitive exams. So, now question number second. See question number second of your DPPS. Question number second of your DPPS. What is this question? 100, 50, 52, then 26, then 28, then 16, then 8. We have to fill this blank space. So think about this for 1 second. Think about this. Which pattern it will follow? See, 150, it means it is half. The number is half. 100 से 50 हो गया. What is the change? Number is half. Divide by half हो गया. And then see again. Number is again divided by half. Number is again divided by half. So we see that the pattern follow the two numbers, consecutive numbers are divided by half, and then that number will come. So we have given 28. So what is the number here? Divided by half. What is the number? 14. So 14 is a number which we want to find. Clear? These are very easy questions when you see them. But when question statements come in front of you, these questions can never be handled if you never practice them. So practice it again and again, then you will solve these questions. Then our third question. Find out the missing number. 2, 9, 28, 65. Find out the missing number. Think about this. This question you have to done by yourself because this resembles the first question. I will tell you the fourth questions. I will tell you fourth question. Question is 121, 225, then 361. 121, 225, 361. And we have to read the statement. In each of the following question, a number series is given in which one term is missing. One term is missing in this statement. Choose the correct alternative that will continue the same pattern. So we have to find the number that will continue with the same pattern that is in this question. So we have to find this number. We have to find this number that follow the same pattern as is in this question. So try to solve this question. 121, 225. Is there any difference cases in this? No, I don't think. So it's 11 square. You know 11 square is 120 is 1. 11 square is 121. This is 15 square. 15 square is 225. This is 19 square. You have to cram these squares. You have to cram these squares on your fingers. Then you can solve these questions. In aptitude, you have to cram this squares value. 11 square 121, 15 square 225, 19 square 361. So difference is of 4. So next we have to write 19 plus 4, that is 23. So 23 square is 529. So 529 is the answer. Done. Next is fifth question, you have to done yourself. I will try sixth question. 7, 12, 19, 28, 39. Very easy question. Right? Very easy question, right? We have to find this number. That will follow the same pattern. We have to find this number. So, write 7 and 12. What pattern will it follow? 7 and 12. Difference is of 5. 12 and 19. What pattern will it follow? Difference is of 7. 19 and 28. Difference is of 9. 28 and 39. Difference is of 11. So next difference. So difference में क्या difference आ रहा है? 2. So next difference is of 13. 5, 7, 9, 11, 13. This will follow the same pattern. 2 difference. So the series will, you have to add 13 in this number. How will you add 13 in this number? 9, 3, 12, 3, 4, 5, that is 52. So 52 is the answer. 52 is the answer for this question. Try question number 7. Try question number 7 of your DPPS. That is 17, 19, 22, 27, 34, 45, and you have to find this number. Try it. Follow the same pattern as is was 6 क्वेश्चन जैसे किया है हमने वैसे ही ये क्वेश्चन होने वाला है. Try it. 7 and 19. What is the difference between these numbers? 2. 19 and 22. What is the difference between these numbers? 3. 22 and 27. What is the difference between these numbers? 5. 27 and 34. What is the difference between these numbers? 7. 34 and 45. What is the difference between these numbers? 11. Is this series follow any pattern? Think, is this series follow any pattern? No, difference is not there because 3 minus 2 is 1 but 5 minus 3 is 2. Again 7 minus 5 is 2. So no pattern of difference will follow. Then what pattern will it follow? You all know what are prime numbers. Prime number pattern it will follow. What are prime numbers? That are only divisible by its own table. That 2, 3 is divisible by its own table only. 5, 7, 11. These are prime numbers. So next prime number is 13. Next prime number is 13. So you have to add 13 in this number and you will find the answer. 5 3 8, 4 1 5, that is 58 is the answer. So option number A is correct. Option number A is correct. See next question. 1, 2, 6, 15, 31, and then you have to find this number. Try it. Try this question. Question number 8 of your sheet. Try this question. Follow the pattern. Find the pattern, then follow that pattern. Question is very easy. Find the pattern and follow that pattern. Difference is 1. Difference is 4. Difference is 9. Difference between 31 and 15 is 31 and 15 is 16. Is the difference follow any pattern? Is this difference follow any pattern? Think about it. Is this difference follow any pattern? 1, 4, 9 and 16. This is a square of 1. This is square of 2. This is square of 3. This is square of 4. So, what will this number? Square of 5. That is 25. So, we have to add 25 in the 31 and we will find the answer. 5, 6, 56. So 56 is answer. That is option number D is correct. Option number D is correct. All of them is clear to you? All the questions are clear to you? These questions can only be done by practice. So you have to practice more and more through these questions. Now, see next question. Five, 7, 11, 13, 17, 19, 23. You have to find the number that will follow the same pattern. This number. Think about it. Think about this question. Five, 7, 11, 13, 17, 19, 23. I think these all are prime numbers. These all are prime numbers. So 5 is a prime number, 7 is prime number, 11 prime number, 13, 17, 19, 23. All are prime numbers. Which is the next prime number in these options? 26. Is it a prime number? No. It can be divisible by 13. So it is not a prime number. 27. No. It is not a prime number. It is divisible by 9. 29. Neither divisible by any number. It is divisible by its own table only. So 29 is prime number. Is prime number. So your answer is 29. It is clear? What are prime numbers? Prime numbers are that numbers that are divisible by the odd table, not by any other number. So 29 is prime number as divisible by its odd table, not by any other number. Next, question number 10. Question number 10. 5, 6, 10, 19, 35. 5, 6, 10, 19 and 35. You have to follow this number. You have to find this number. Find this number. Try it. Try it. Difference is 1. Difference is 4. Difference is 9. Difference is, what is difference here? 16. So this is 1 square, this is 2 square, this is 3 square and this is 4 square. So next number should be 5 square. So 16 plus 25 is 16 plus 25. What is 16 plus? No. What is 35 plus 25? That is 60. So option number C is correct. Option number C is correct. This will follow the pattern of squares of the number. Difference is follow the pattern of the squares of the number. You have to find that pattern, then only you will find that number. Question number 11. Question number 11. What is that question? 5, 7, 10, 15, 22. 5, 7, 10, 15, 22. So, find. Try this question. Try this question. Follow the pattern of plus 2, plus 3, plus 5, plus 7. Again follow the pattern of prime numbers. Prime numbers. So, next prime number is, what is the next prime number? 9 or 11? No, 9 is not a prime number. 9 is a odd number but not a prime number because 9 can be divisible by 3. So 11 is the next prime number. So answer is 22 plus 11, that is 33. So 22 plus 11, that is 33. So correct choice is 33. Then 11 questions are done. In these questions we have to follow the same pattern as is given by the question. And now in question number 12 to 15 you have to find the question in which you have to find the number which is wrong. You have given a statement in which one statement is wrong and you have to find that statement or that number. Okay? So try this question. Question number 12. Question number 12 is 7, 28, 63, 124, 215, 342 and 511. Which pattern will it follow? Which pattern it will follow? Try once. That is, this is 2 cube minus 1, 8 minus 1, 7. This is 3 cube प्लस 1. 3 क्यूब माइनस 1 होना चाहिए था यहाँ पे भी 4 क्यूब माइनस 1 है, यहाँ 5 क्यूब माइनस 1 है. But this pattern is made 3 cube plus 1. We have to find 3 cube minus 1. If this number is 26, that's okay. But this is 28. then this is the wrong number. This will not follow the series, but all the series follow the same pattern. This is 6 cube minus 1, 7 cube minus 1, 8 cube minus 1. But this is 3 cube plus 1, not 3 cube minus 1. So this is a wrong answer. So wrong answer is 28. So option number B is correct. Option number B is correct. Now, question number 13. 9, 19, 37, 75, 149 and 297. Try this question. Have you find the pattern, anyone? Anyone who can find the pattern? 9. So 2 into 9 plus 1 is 19. 2 into 9 plus 1 is 19. Then this pattern will 37. 37 is 3 into क्या बनेगा? बनाओ इसको. One number is missing here. This is the statement. This is the statement. 2 into 9 plus 1, that is 19. 3 into 9 plus 1, that is 28. 4 into 9 plus 1, that is 37. 5 into 9 plus 1. 5 into 9 plus 1. 46. So 46 is also in this statement. I think this statement is wrong. I have to check this statement. So we are not doing this question. This statement is wrong. Now try question number 14. Try question number 14. 8, 13, 21, 32, 47, 63, 83. You have to find the wrong statement in this question. So difference is plus 5. Difference is plus 8. Difference is 32 minus 21, 11. Difference is 14. Then difference is 47 minus 32. What is it? 7, 2, 5, 4, 3, 1. Difference is 15, but difference is 15, but difference should be 14 because 5 plus 3, 8. 8 plus 3, 11. 11 plus 3 should be 14. But here is 15. So 47 is the wrong choice. 47 is the wrong choice. So correct option is D. Correct option is D. Next, try the last question of this DPPS. Try last question of this DPPS. 24, 27, 31, 33, 36, 39. Try this question. Try this question. Question number 15 of your DPPS. Very easy question. Each number is divisible by this which number? Divisible by 3. This number is divisible by 3. This is also divisible by 3. This also. This is not divisible by 3. Not divisible by 3. But this also divisible by 3. This also and this also. So wrong answer is 31. 31 will not follow the pattern as in the series. So 31 is the correct answer. So option number C is correct. I have tell you some of the questions. For example, prime number series, square series, cube series, divisibility rule series, and you have to try these questions, try more questions at your home, and you will be expert in these questions if you try this again and again. So try this. Best of luck and thanks.